Hi everyone. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make a pom-pom border. First thing we're going to do is do 6 chains. And once we do that, we are going to go 3 chains below our hook. And once we count that, in US terms, we're doing a double crochet inside that chain. And after I do that, I'm going to do 2 more double crochets in that same chain. So you can see that is my second double crochet. Means I have 3 loops, and then I'm going to do 1 last double crochet. And once I do that, you'll notice I have 4 loops, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I pulled through. We're going to redo the same thing. So we're going to chain 3 now on top of that bubble. And doing the same method, I'm going to double crochet on that chain that had closed the bubble, right? So I'm going to find that chain, I'm going to pull through, that's a double crochet, first one, so that's 2 loops. I do a double crochet in the same stitch again, so that's going to give me 3 loops, and oops, got to correct that little thing, okay? And then double crochet 1 last time on the same stitch, and I'm going to once again have those 4 loops, and I'm going to pull through. It's going to be a little bit tight sometimes, but once you have that, you're going to notice that I have those 2 bubbles that are just stacked right on top of each other, so we can give that like 3D puff bubble. So now I'm doing a slip stitch right underneath that bubble, and then I'm going to chain 3. And once I do that, you'll kind of notice that it's better if you just skip those 2 chains and you go on the 3rd chain, so there's like a gap in between, and I do a slip stitch. And just to give me a little bit of more space, I do a slip stitch on the next chain again. And then I just start that entire whole process that you saw before. Of course, if you want more space, you can do more slip stitches. This is basically what it would look like if you actually followed the border that I just said. I hope you liked it. I try to do this really fast for people that are just on the go and want a quick recap.